Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today. Welcome back to my channel. As you all noticed, I dyed my hair back to a darker color because it has gone through so much last year and I had to stop dyeing it or else it was going to fall off. But I have to admit that I really miss having colored hair and doing photo shoots with colored hair. So for today's video, we are going to do just that. I did a few simple and easy photo shoot concepts for you, but before that, I would like to thank the sponsor for today's video, InsertNameHere or InsertNameHere. So they sent me 2 of their best-selling ponytails and I love them so much. If you're not familiar with INH, they're a brand from Los Angeles, California, and they sell the best high-quality wigs, hair extensions, and ponytails. Their vision is to help anyone discover their best selves by making it easy for you to experiment with your looks and making sure that you have no bad hair days. So the first ponytail is called Mia. She is 24 inches and she's in this color Ruby. This one is super long and the color is just so beautiful. So let's try to open it. So all of their wigs come with this hairnet just so the hairs will stay intact. The texture feels so nice and it doesn't feel frizzy at all. As you can see, it's really long. It's 24 inches and the quality is just so nice. I have nothing much to compare it with, but I tried one hair extension before I got it from Shopee and this one feels so much better compared to that. This really feels like real hair. This one comes in a Velcro, so you can just wrap it onto your ponytail or onto your bun. And then it also comes with this one so that it will stay intact with your hair. All of their ponytails come in this bag. Inside this little pocket right here, you'll see a sample of the hair. And then you also have 2 bobby pins inside. I will be showing you later how I tried to put this on, but for now let's talk about the second ponytail. So the next one is the alley ponytail in this beautiful copper color. This one is 18 inches mid-length. I actually planned to dye my hair in a copper color last year, but for some reason I didn't push through with it, so I'm really excited to try this and live my ginger hair dreams. So as you can see, just like the Mia ponytail, it also has this hairnet to keep the hairs intact. This one is much lighter than the Mia ponytail and I feel like I could wear this one more. It's giving hot girl summer ponytail and I love it so much. The alley ponytail retails for $49 US and the Mia ponytail retails for $54 US, but you can get it for 15% off if you use my code ITSK15. And I think it's such a good deal considering how good these ponytails are. And yeah, I'm so excited to try these ponytails, so without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back.
For the first look, I tied my hair up into a really high ponytail and I used the Got To Be styling gel to make my hair look sleek, and it took me a while to style it because I have a lot of baby hairs. I used the Mia ponytail for the first concept. It was so easy to put on. I wore it like this and wrapped the Velcro around my actual hair. And then I used the 2 bobby pins to make sure that it will stay in place. I call this the fierce red concept just because I felt so fierce wearing this ponytail and bold eyeliner look. I used camera flash so that the photo will look sharper. I swing the ponytail up in the air again and again until I get that perfect shot. For the editing, I opened the photo on PixArt and then I used the clone tool to clean the background. After that, I opened it on Lightroom to adjust the color and lighting. To make the photo look sharper, I increased the contrast and sharpen. and then I also removed the yellow tones since I wanted the color red to stand out. This is definitely something you can do if you want to show off your beautiful hair.
Ready for my close-up. Yeah, it's perfect time.
For the second concept, I tied my hair into a low ponytail and then I used the alley ponytail to make it look longer. I curled my bangs a bit and then I put on the ponytail the same way that I did earlier. I just love how it looks like my real hair. Someone on Instagram actually suggested that I do a medieval concept. This is not exactly medieval since I don't have the outfit for that, but this is mostly inspired by medieval paintings. I taped this mesh scarf on my wall with a masking tape to add some texture to my background. And then for my lighting, I used my most trusted ring light and sunset lamp. The camera that I use is the FUJI X-A3 with the camera settings flashed on screen. Since I want to look like a medieval angel painting, I placed my ring light behind me to make it look like a halo. I took pictures with and without flash just to add variety to our photos. The photos with flash look clearer and more high quality, but the colors on the photos without flash look gorgeous as well. I think if I used the raw format on these photos, the quality would have turned out differently. Since the lighting is kinda off, I edited the photo on Lightroom to adjust the lighting and clarity of the photo. The key here is to increase the highlight to add a glow effect and decrease the texture to make it softer. If you're not satisfied with that, you could also use the Prequel app to add more medieval painting effect. I just used the Mojave No. 1 filter and the Haigi No. 1 effect.
I love what I see. I'm a grown fucking woman and I don't give a shit what you think about.
The third concept is fire red. As usual, my red wall will never not be part of my photoshoot videos. To add more texture to the photo, since we have a plain background, you can use a piece of mesh fabric and just hold it in front of the camera as a prop. I thought it would also be fun to use a piece of the Mia ponytail to add more texture to the photos. The mesh fabric made the photo look really soft and kind of blurry, which I like, but to make the details look more defined, I used Lightroom to adjust the clarity and vibrance of the colors. The key here is to increase the dehaze and sharpen to lessen the blur. Then, to make it look more dramatic, you can use the Denim No. 1 effect on Prequel and adjust it to your liking. I definitely had fun with the different textures on this concept.
Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all. No, I'ma do it how I want. So
The fourth concept is roller retro. I bought these roller skates last year because I really wanted to learn. I learned how to do it indoors, but after doing it for a month or so, I got busy and eventually lost my motivation to try again. I really like this arch in my room, so I decided to use it as my background for this concept. You can do this in any doorway or even just a plain wall. You'll still look amazing as long as you have fun with your posing. I took these photos in RAW format, and as usual, I adjusted the lighting and decreased the yellow tones on Lightroom. Since we're going to do a collage for this, I did the same edit for two similar photos and imported them on PixArt. I cropped the photos and removed the wall surrounding the arch. It took me a while and it's kind of messy, but it was the look that I was going for.
I'ma do it how I want. So don't feel no fear. Feeling wild and selfish. I don't really give a
And these are the final photos. I really missed having colored hair, and I definitely had fun with these concepts. Please let me know which one you liked and what other concepts you want me to try in the future. And I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put the links to these ponytails on the description box below, as well as my discount code so you can get 15% off. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Off my mind, and you know that's right. I fuck with you, and all